YouTube, today I'm going to talk about and show you how to upgrade your brakes on your Grand Prix, Regal, Monte Carlos, looking at doing bigger brakes. So let's get at it. Here's a comparison of the old rotor. There's the factory rotor. You can see that little gap on the all around. And there's the new hotness. The GXP rotor. New strut, new end link, GXP rear brakes. Okay guys, while you're doing this GXP setup, if you do want to run a 16-inch wheel, you're probably going to need a spacer like this. Now obviously this is not a hub centric one because of the hole, but you need a universal spacer like this to fit your regular 16-inch wheel like this. Obviously you probably don't have to on other wheels, but this one rubs a little bit, so you do have to have spacers for it to fit. While you're doing your GXP brake upgrade, I did struts too, so I also upgraded to a ZZP rear strut bar, so you can see how it bolts up to 2 bolts, and then it also does the same right there too. Just something to think about while you're upgrading. And then to show you, this is my wheel choice of what I'm upgrading to on the car. This is a LTZ Impala wheel. Now obviously this uses from the factory, a 235/50/18. For Grand Prix, Monte Carlos, and Regals, don't use that tire size because it will hit the cup on your strut and make it where it won't roll. You'll need a 45 series tire for it to fit, and this wheel will be perfect. Okay guys, so if this video brought any value while watching it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.